Welcome to one of the Queen Deluxe rooms in Universal's Aventura Hotel. We do have 2 queen beds here. And just check out this view. Windows all the way around the room. There's Cabana Bay over there, Volcano Bay. Have the pool area overlooking the pool. Go on the other side of this curtain, we got the other queen bed over here with some light fixtures around it. And turn all the way around. Got plenty of plug-ins. Charging ports on both sides. But again, just check out this view. This is awesome. In case you haven't stayed over here at Aventura before as well, which we stay a lot at Sapphire Falls and we use the garden walk, but there is a garden walk right down there that is very easy access to Volcano Bay entrance. Over there we have the Endless Summer Resorts, dockside and surfside would be over there. This room is just wow, how much space it has in it. It's awesome. Like I said, more charging ports for everything there. A little desk area. And there we go with the bathroom area. With the stand-up shower and toiletries. So this is awesome. One of our friends are staying in this room and let us come up here and video before they got their stuff out of the car. So there is your deluxe 2 queen deluxe room at Aventura Hotel. Don't forget any of this fun stuff that you see us do in our videos and the places that we stay. I can help you book your trip and plan your vacation, whether it's Disney, Universal, Cedar Point, Dollywood, Pigeon Forge area, any of that stuff. I'd be glad to help you out, so be sure to contact me at the email below.